Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this very interesting problem of GFG, that is black and white. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given a chessboard dimensions. Find out and we have to find out the number of ways in which we can place a black and a white knight on the chessboard such that they cannot attack each other. Now what is a knight? Knight is just for introduction. Knight is something that if it is put in this particular block, then it can attack two ways up. I mean, like this is the board. Suppose here is a knight, then it can attack here, it can attack here. I mean, two step in one direction, one step above, or like one step in this direction, two step vertical. Okay, two vertical, one horizontal, or one horizontal, two vertical. Okay, this is what the knight is. Now guys, this is also explained here. Okay, so it can attack in L shape. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find out they cannot attack each other. Okay guys, so we are given a chessboard. We are given a chessboard with dimension n into m, with dimension some n into m. Okay, like I'm making this for a genuine reason. Like suppose we have given this 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and like 5 into 5 cell we are given. We can given anything up to n into m is less than 10 raised to the power 5. Okay guys, so what we can do, and here time, okay, just a minute, and here time complexity is given to us is O n into m. Okay guys, so what we can do, for each cell we can check. What we can check, so we will check if we are gonna to put the black one here, the black one here, then how many valid cells we have in which we can put white one. Okay guys, what we are doing, for each n into m cell, nm cell, we are one by one put black cell here, here, then here, because we have to put only two cell, one black and one white. Okay, this is white, one black and one white. So for each cell we are trying to put black cell here, then we are trying to find out how many number of cells available to me in which I can put a white cell, and in which I can put a white knight and it cannot attack me. Okay, this is very simple to find out how. Just give a focus to it, and this is a reason why I make this. Like suppose we are going to put it here, a white cell here. Now find out all the find out all the possible cells in which if I put the white knight it can attack on black. Okay, it can attack on black, and here it is already given, the knight attack each other if one can reach the other one in one move. Okay, it means if suppose this black one is here, white one is here. Suppose this is white one, because if I take white then it will not visible to you, that's why I take green. Okay, if I put there, it's like here, then it can easily attack my other. So it can attack through this, so I have to find out all the number of these cells, like this, like this. It can also attack to my black, it can attack, it can attack, it can attack. So all the cells that if I will gonna to put my white cell will attack my black. Okay, so what are the cells? This 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 these 8 cells. Okay guys, and what is the coordinate of this? If this coordinate is suppose I comma j, this is I comma j, then it is I minus 2 j minus 1. For this, I minus 2 j plus 1, I minus 1 j minus 2 coordinate. Like this, if this is I comma j, this coordinate will be I minus 2, I minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1, 1 comma j minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2, 1 comma 2, it is 3 comma 3, and it is minus 2 comma minus 1. If I am gonna, these are the difference in my ith and jth axis, that is 1 comma 1 will be my updated one, sorry, 1 comma 2. Okay, for this the change will be minus 2 plus 1, the change one will be 1 and 4. You can, this is updated coordinate. Okay, so we will find out the coordinate of all eight possible vertex. Now what is this? Dx is this, dy is this. Means if I change dx by -2, dy by -1, here you can see -2, -1, -2 plus 1, -1, these all are eight possible different combinations. These are the 8 cell. If I am gonna to put my white cell in these 8 cell, then they are directly gonna attack my x. Okay, so what I will do, like suppose if my this black cell is here, suppose it is here, suppose my black one is here for a minute, suppose, then how many for it is possible to attack? Take it blue. This one attack. This one cannot attack because we cannot place a white here. This can attack. This cannot attack. This cannot attack. This cannot attack. This cannot attack. Okay, so here we can see only two are the possible. For this, the number of cells are 8. For this, the number of cells are 2. If we suppose put my black one on some different position, like suppose here, then what are the number of possible cells in which my white one can attack? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not possible. Okay, only 4. So we can see for each different position, we have different number of valid cell in which if I gonna to put my white, it will attack to my black cell. So what I will say, for each cell I will gonna to count out valid cell. Now what is my valid cell from which my white can attack? My white can attack. Okay, I will make attack like this. By white can attack, just make a arrow, it can attack. Okay, or I should write a white can attack. Okay, so suppose, and the total number of cells we have is n into m, capital n into m, total number of cells. And the cell, if I am gonna to put white is attack is this, so the number of valid cell in which if I gonna to put my white, like for this, for these 8, for this particular black cell and these particular white cell, all are free. Like just give me a minute, just a minute guys. This is important for telling you. Some of you might already know, but still this is something. Okay guys, so here the 8 cells are possible. The 8 cells are possible. So what are the total valid cell? If suppose, if accept these 8 cell, I can put my white cell anywhere. If I am put here, it cannot attack this. I put here, it cannot attack. So accept these 8 position, means all the valid position in which my cell can attack. All the remaining position I can put my white cell. Okay, and I will decrease one. Why? What? Because nm is total 5.525. What is valid here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From which a white can attack is 8. So 25 minus 8 will remain how much? 17. But we have 17 position. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 16. Why 1? Because one position is occurred by my black cell as well. Okay. So 8 are the position in which I cannot put my white cell because it will attack my black, and one position is occurred by my black cell, so I will decrease it by 1. What happens? And the answer will be solid. Sorry, 16. So if I want to I am trying to put my black cell here, then I have 16 valid cell, and what I will do, I will take a answer variable. This is for a particular block. I will put black cell here and count all valid cell, then found the number of possible cell in which I can put valid, and do answer plus is equal to valid and take mode. Why? Because I have to take mode as well. Okay guys, so here I will take answer, take mode. Now total cell given to me n into m. Now for I is equal to 1 to I less than n, for j, for each of the possible cells, I will take valid is equal to 0. Valid means the cell which are valid to attack. Okay, the cells which are valid to attack. Now I will take for all the 8 direction. Now x and y will be my updated. Ij is my current, and dxd and dyd is the change in particular ith and jth direction. X is horizontal, y is vertical. So if my x is greater than 0 and less than is equal to n, I am taken one base indexing. That's why it is equal to n, and greater than 0 means between 1 and n. Similarly here it is between 1 and m, means it is a valid cell. It means it can attack to my black, so I will increase valid plus plus. And at last I will find out all the valid cell that can attack my current black cell, and I will do answer plus is equal to, means the valid cell for current I and jth cell, that is total cell given to me, minus valid cell from which white can attack me, minus 1 the cell where I gonna to put my black cell. So it is this, and I will take mode because it is given to me. I have to take a mode. Okay guys, I hope you will understand. Very simple approach. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. You can see all the 170 tasks we pass out. So thank you for watching this guys. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching this guys.